Hi, my name is Jamie Hannen, and I am a food scientist at Marzetti. I first became interested in the food science industry. I was actually interested in chemistry first in high school. My mom knew someone that worked as a flavor chemist in Cincinnati, and so I kind of knew about the industry, but I wanted to go into chemistry in undergrad. Within the food science major, there's several different concentrations that you can do. You can go into food chemistry and become a flavor chemist. You can go into nutrition and do that diet aspect of it. You can go into the agricultural farming side of it. You can go into the microbiological side. There's several different courses you can take. I work in the retail R&D department here at Marzetti, and we get most of our direction from our marketing department. They do research on trends, and they'll come to us with a new flavor or a new idea for a dressing or a dip, and we'll take an existing formula as a base, and then we'll add flavors to that and just try out different variations and see what we like best. We'll present it to the marketing team. Sometimes we'll do consumer research and have different consumers test it, and we'll go from there. The QA department has all sorts of different opportunities. Here in a dressing plant, you would test for pH, acid, and salt, and also look at the color from batch to batch to make sure they're matching. There's also the microbiological department, and they test all of our products after they are made in production for spoilage, food safety. We have our tech services regulatory department, and they are looking at claims that are made on the packaging. They're approving ingredients that we use, and they're conforming to all the laws and regulations. I'd say the highlight was the first time that I developed a product and I saw the packaging in the grocery store, and I could go actually buy something that wouldn't be there if I didn't develop it. That's the most exciting part for me. About 50% of my job is in lab creating dressings and actually working with ingredients, and then the other half of my job is working at the computer, entering specs into our spec system, maintaining formulas and ingredients, and then also introducing the formulas into the plant. I think the food industry is so vast. There's so many different types of products out there. This company is just one of many. We do dressings and dips, condiments. There's beverage companies, there's frozen food companies, there's all sorts of different opportunities out there. So you just have to decide which you would prefer to work on, and we accept anyone that's willing to learn and excited about the industry. An undergraduate degree in food science is acceptable, and we all start from different places. There's a food engineering degree, microbiological degree. My coworker has a biology degree. It all depends on some the schooling and some your experience. I think agriculture is great. I think this trend right now about eating local and supporting local farms and stuff is very important. When I see a soybean farmer out in the fields, I think they are working hard for their career, and I'm glad to support what they're doing, and I'm glad to be working in the food industry as another step along in the process.